I named my channel Home 301 because I live at 301 Anywhere Street, USA. Today I want to make a cute little gate to Haven. I'm going to use just a few common building supplies and I'm going to have a really good time. I hope you enjoy my video. I got my inspiration off of Pinterest and I'm going to use some of this here wire. I used this big canister that I have full of corks to make the curvature for my wire, for my archway. And I'm going to use these clamps. They're a little fiddly, but you can get them clamped in there nice and straight. To put some extra support for the wires and turn that one right side up. And boom, we have clamps. Now let's use some epoxy sculpt to make some braces to make sure these wires stay how I want them forever. We'll just glue those on really good. This is a Sculpey clay that you have to bake at 275 degrees. And for these, it only takes 10 minutes. What's that spell? Those braces are nice and dry now. A little more epoxy sculpt to put the letters onto the archway. And we are halfway done. Let's use some more foam clay. Smush it down real tight and fill it in as best you can. I'm going to use up all the rest of this grout. Let's mark some holes to put these posts into the top of my pillars. Oh no, I broke my grout. Well, some more cause clay will help that. These wires are a little too long. We'll fix that really fast. And this is just cement from the dollar store. Just bend them a little bit to keep them in place. My favorite part, got to paint them. have new Mod Podge, and we're gonna use a very thick layer of it on both of my pillars. So it makes it so easy to paint. And let's use a whole bunch of different colors. Oh, this might be my new favorite thing. It's kind of like finger paint padding. It's so fun. Let's get that archway on the top of this thing. Right in there. Get in the hole. Wow. Let's pop those letters out just a little. That is fabulous, isn't it? And we're done. Ta-da! Thank you so much, everybody, for watching this video. I have the longer version posted on my channel as well. I hope you all have a really great 4th of July. And try not to melt, my babies. Bye.